Speaking of protective style,
I need to pull y'all coattail to a couple things, okay?
I decided to take it back 101. I did a front section of illusion boxes and then I just cornrowed the back. If you are squeezing all your edges and hopes and thoughts and dreams into these plaits right up in here, it is no longer a protective style. Something happened accidentally. The ocean wave is a little lighter than the faux locs, the boho locs, right? Honey, I'm giving features on accident. That's what happened when you love the Lord. People don't know that. Honey, I took me some pictures with this. You think I didn't? I did.
Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I won. I'm gonna make you.
Hey, cause hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slice today.
Hey.
Coming to you with a slice today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Hey y'all, listen. Every time somebody asks me, do I still do crochet braids? It's like activating a superpower. You know what I'm talking about? That's really what it does to me. And I just really jumped on to say that I'm at the back end of it. You're going to see how I came to this beautifulness that's before your eyes. But let me tell you what I decided to do. Now, y'all know here lately when it comes to boho styles, I've been bringing you guys the human hair boho braids. Now, they're beautiful. I love them, but they're pricey because they're human hair. So I said, you know what? I'm going to give some other options that are more cost efficient, but we need to talk about this, y'all. We got to talk about this because, listen.
I need to pull y'all coattail to a couple things, okay?
I love this hair, okay? I got it on Amazon. It's an 8-bundle pack. I am wearing 24 inches, and this is the color 350. This is a straight 350. This is not a 350 blend. There's no dark roots. I chose that. Okay, I chose that. So if you want something where the roots are dark, you don't want to get just straight 350. You want to get something like 1B 350 or something like that. You know what I'm saying? It really just depends on how you feel. Okay. All right. I love the color 350. The color 350 is like a ginger. I put in all 8 bundles of hair so you can see what it looks like on me. If you want a look that has less density, you are going to use less bundles. And the amount of bundles that you use also depends on your braid pattern. Speaking of braid pattern, I wanted to take it back to the basics. When we first start doing illusion crochet, okay? Way back when. Doing illusion crochet lately, I've been doing a lot of individuals in the front, all of the things, okay? Today, I decided to take it back 101. I did a front section of illusion boxes, and then I just cornrowed the back. That's it. That's all. Now, on these two sides, I did illusion boxes all the way back. Because if I put it up, it's just going to look more like individuals, hence the illusion, because none of my hair is left out. None of my hair is left out. This is a full protective style. Speaking of protective style, I thought we went over this, but I'm starting to see more and more activity along this particular topic. If you are squeezing all your edges and hopes and thoughts and dreams into these plaits right up in here, it is no longer a protective style. Now, the base word is protect. You understand? We are trying to protect what we got. We are trying to do right by it. Okay? So with that being said, don't snatch up all your hopes and dreams all up in here. Listen, you can plait nice and easy. It's gonna look fly. We installing over top of that anyways. It's gonna look fly. Trust me. You don't have to. You put your little dollop of edge control right there to get secure all the flyaways. It's gonna look real clean. The key is neatness, not tight. Don't do it like that.
Don't do it like that.
It's gonna look like it's in there good and nice if you do it right. You don't have to pull it back because then it'll be white. Okay, it's gonna be white. It don't matter what it look like. It's supposed to tack. Huh? Okay. Pull them edges out before you even get started. As you see, I got a whole bunch of swoop-a-doop action going on because I pulled my edges out, Chad. Let me tell you something. When you get 40, honey, you better pull them out because they might start to involuntarily remove themselves even without you pulling and being ignorant. So you want to try to keep them in... Child, I'm trying to keep all my little strands. I used a 350 Ocean Wave loose hair to add more curls, more waves, more of the boho look. Why? Because I
Mary.
Like when my boho styles look old, okay? I'm talking about out the gate. Now I can wait a couple weeks for it to get, because it's synthetic. It's going to get to you. You like an old look, it's going to get to you in just a minute. 2 weeks, you going to have what you want, okay? But I like for it to look like that right off the gate. I love it. And you know, when you have to separate the ocean wave hair, it just creates a natural little frizz. You know what I'm saying? Give it a little razzle dazzle. Now, if you want it to be super neat, you don't have to do that because these locks already come with boho. It's already boho. The locks are already bohoed beautifully, okay? So you do not have to add the 350 ocean wave. And I did that in very random spots. Now, something happened accidentally. The 350 crochet hair, it's not the same company. So the shade, depending on the vendor, it can vary a little bit. It could be a little lighter, a little darker, a little deeper, all the things. So the ocean wave is a little lighter than the faux locks, the boho locks, right? So it's actually giving a little dimension. Honey, I'm giving features on accident. That's what happened when you love the Lord. People don't know that. So it's giving a little slight highlight effect. Okay? I didn't even use one full bundle for that because it was just randomly placed. Like I have one right here in the front. You'll see it. Honey, I took me some pictures with this. You think I didn't? I did. I said, well, honey, I like the way. So listen, I just wanted to say that. I just wanted to say that so that you understood what I did. So none of my hair is left out. There are no individuals along the front. There are levels to illusion crochet braid patterns, y'all. The more seamless that you want it to look, the more you want it to look like individual faux locks, the more you want to utilize like a combo pattern. Maybe your front row can be individuals and then start with your illusion boxes off up in the middle, maybe some illusion boxes in the back in case you want to put it up. It depends on how you're going to wear the hair. We not new to this. We true to this. All right. Wear your bonnet at night. And also watch your activities with this. Huh? I said, watch your activities with this. If you're trying to come up out the water, you might want to opt for my other human hair suggestions that I have given y'all over the past months or years, whatever. I don't know. Maybe the past year I've given y'all quite a few human hair boho styles and wigs. Okay, I'm not playing with it. You do this when you're trying to save some money and also when you want to play with some color. Lot more color choices if you're going synthetic. So on top of it being cheaper, you have a lot of color options. And hey, if you like me and you like to switch it up, bam, you can do that. Okay. I do like the fact that I can just slide these out when I take them out because this is a basic illusion crochet, y'all. When I say basic, so then my hair will already be braided down. So when I get ready to bring y'all a wig, bam, I'm gonna have a real flat base. Base gonna be flat, period. Hold a minute.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in accord. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting. switching positions. Now you under my submission like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Count down for me. 5,